Paid ads for affiliates. Boost your traffic. Want to quickly get people to look at your affiliate offers? Paid ads can be a great way to get more visitors and make more sales. But you have to do it right. Why paid ads are important? Instant traffic. You can start getting visitors to your website or affiliate offers right away. Targeted advertising. You can choose who sees your ads based on their age, gender, interests, and actions. Scalability. You can make your ads bigger as your business grows. You can keep track of your results and see exactly how much you're spending and how much you're making. Paid advertising platforms that are popular. Google Ads is a great way to advertise on Google's search and display networks. Facebook ads. A well-known way to advertise on Facebook and Instagram. Microsoft. Advertising, Bing Ads, is a way to advertise on Bing Search and its partner networks. Native advertising is when ads look like they belong on a website. Making a paid advertising campaign. Set your goals. What do you want to get out of your advertising campaign? Find out who your target audience is. Who are you trying to get to? Choose your platform. What platform will help you reach the people you want to reach? Set your budget. What is the most you can spend? Make your ads. Write ads that grab people's attention and design visuals that do the same. Focus your ads. Select the right targeting options to connect with your perfect customers. Keep an eye on your results. Find out what's working and what's not and change your campaign as needed. How to make paid advertising work. Begin with a small amount. Don't put a lot of money into something until you know it works. Try out different ads. Try out different targeting options, ad copy, and images to see which ones work best. Keep an eye on your results. Find out exactly how much money you're making and spending. Make your campaigns better. Change your campaigns based on how well they work. Use retargeting to show ads to people who have already been to your website or interacted with your brand. Be patient. Finding the right mix of ads, targeting, and bidding strategies takes time. The importance of keeping an eye on things and making improvements. Paid ads are all about trying things out, keeping track of them, and making them better. You need to keep an eye on your campaigns and make changes to get better results. The bottom line is, paid ads can be a great way to get people to visit your affiliate offers and make purchases. But you need to do it right. You can reach your affiliate marketing goals by running successful ad campaigns if you follow these tips.